YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Hey, we're out in the pasture. Turkeys running around. I'd like to remind you all to like, share, subscribe. We will get videos out as soon as we get the internet fixed. I have people coming to hopefully give us good news and something new. But we're going to see what's going on today, and we'll go from there. Well, they've been locked up today. Just water, not outside. Bone chicken. But yeah, these are 5 white broad-breasted. We started out with 12. We're down to this. Hey, stop picking on each other. So these 5 are going. We will process them. One goes to our neighbor that hate our field. The other one, I believe, is being cooked for July 4th weekend. And the rest I will grind up as ground turkey. So you might ask, why grind up for ground turkey? Sorry, son. Because I like ground turkey. We can put in meals. I kind of like it. It takes flavor well in my eyes. And also it's just something different. So that's why we're doing it. I have plenty of turkeys left for Thanksgiving. As you can see here, there's another white broad-breasted. There is 2 bronze right there. There's another bronze and 4 artisans over there. The artisans will be staying for a while as they're a heritage breed and it takes a while to get them up to full. But yeah, the bronze and this lone gunman white will probably be going to freezer camp here before Thanksgiving. That is definitely a tom. Spreading his wings already. But we're going to try, oh yeah, here they are, stancing. That's funny. But the whole hope of it all is that the artisans have at least 2 hens. I'm hoping at least for 2. If I get 1, I'll be happy. We'll easily have a tom, and we'll keep those. And we will try to get eggs and get some more out of them. Because, let's be honest, people, turkeys are expensive to buy. And they don't have the greatest success rating out there. If you watch Sold the Land, you'll know that he lost a bunch. Turkeys are finicky in the beginning, but once they get going, they're all right. So hopefully we'll get these guys going and up and at them soon. Let's see what else we can do and find. Well, it's just checking in on the rabbits here in the rabbit hutch. It needs to be cleaned up bad. But we're doing pretty good on rabbits right now. We have 7 babies. We have a couple that are 3-4 weeks old. And a couple more that are a week or 2 younger. So we got 7 going right now. Should have some more soon. I had another rabbit give birth recently, but an animal pulled her babies down through the cage bottom and she disowned the rest that were left, I'm sure, because of that reason. So we lost a few there. We lost about 5, which hurts. And we've lost a few too many this year, but we're learning about it all, especially about rabbits. But we should have rabbits going to processing, I don't know, sometime this year. And Amy does those too. But I might do those here. We're still contemplating that. All right, we're back out in the pasture. Okay, we're back out in the pasture. My 3 guineas and all the turkeys decided to come out, all 10 of them. So yeah, that's what we got left, 10. Total 15, hopefully this year. I expect to lose 1 or 2 of these. But these guard guys and girls, well, girl, they go a little batty. But we're on the pasture, as you can see, it's starting to green back up. We haven't had a lot of rain, but we did have some. This is where they wintered out at the end. Then they were all the way in the back over there. I mowed that down and knocked it all down and ran my tine attachment harrow through it You know, it's thick on grass, but there was a lot of donkey manure, so I wanted to spread that out. But the turkeys are out here, the gains are out here. I noticed that the turkeys here have been going for some clover. And well, that one's going nuts on some alfalfa. But yeah, they're hitting up the alfalfa, which is fine by me. That's high protein. That's good for growth. And we have a lot right in this one little section. It's kind of a junky section, but it also has some alfalfa, so it isn't pure junk. But yeah, there we have it. So short and sweet today, nothing fancy. Just going to the processor and a little bit of wind. Maybe we'll make a little bit edit on. Maybe not. We'll see where I put this. But y'all have a good day. Have a good 4th of July weekend, if I get this video out in time. And I will see you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead.